Well, we're on a mountain road here, really steep and high mountain road. And this guy's load is shifted ahead of us. And my gosh, if that thing goes over, we're gonna be sitting here all night. Crazy. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, so they managed to push the load over just slightly with the other truck. This is something else. Well, I guess that's it. Yeah, so we left Oaxaca City, and we're now in the mountains on the way to the coast. And we're in a tiny little town in the mountains. It's just beautiful here. These are some of the bigger mountains that we've been in, I think. But it's a small town called San Jose del Pacifico. And again, everything's really steep here, and it's just beautiful. But there we are for the night. We asked them at the, it's kind of a combined building. It's a public library and the city hall. So they said no problem, we could park here tonight. No strings attached, and that's awesome. So we're just kind of waiting for the sun to maybe set here. It's hard to get some good pictures, but we'll see if we can get a good sunset. Good morning. Well, we just got up and it is freezing. We are at about 8,000 feet altitude in the small mountain town of San Jose del Pacifico. So we are about halfway from Oaxaca to the beach down in the south. And so we've got about another 3 hours today to drive to get there, and it is freezing here. So we're looking forward to some warm weather. It was an awesome night last night in this little parking lot at the city hall where they let us stay. And again, it's just such a small little quaint village with the most spectacular and stunning views you've ever seen. I think I took some footage there last night and showed you of the sun and the clouds and everything. But as much as we'd like to stay, we need to get to the beach. So we'll meet up when we get there. Cheers.